What I wanted to do today was just do a little affirmation page. So I've started out this page that I wanted to do for the 31st for the Halloween. And I just thought it'd be nice to do a nice affirmation page. So I've started this out. So I just wanted to see how it comes out and see if it would be great to use for the planner pages. Well, basically what I've done now is I've just added a primer and now I'm going to put the color on, and I think this page is going to come out really well. So it's looking really interesting. So let's see what it looks like with some color on. Well, I've now finished this drawing that I wanted to do, or should I say a bit of artwork, and I'm just going to photocopy it and then I'm going to decorate the page and just do something of interest just for the day of Halloween. This is the photocopy that I've made. So I'm going to now just fill it in, and this will be an extra page for the Halloween. What I've done now is I've just finished this these pages, and I've basically what I've done is I've done an affirmation page. I just wanted to do something extra for Halloween's day, and I just thought it would be nice just to do something just a little bit more interesting, just for Halloween itself. What I've done here, these affirmation notes, is just wording to say how I want to improve uh, um, things I want to do, working a little bit better, establishing guidelines, having issues to solve, being more conservative with my spending, continuing patterns that are known and more established. So these are the kind of notes that I'm doing for these affirmations. So what I've done as well is I've just made these pages work in a very nice, simple format, and I've just used a vintage typewriter to write all the notes out. It's come out really well, and I'm quite pleased with it. I wasn't too sure of the color initially, but then when I started finishing it off, I realized it was quite good and how the pages were done. So this is just something extra I've done for Halloween, for the day of Halloween, and I just want to say thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a comment, and I will be doing the next video soon.